Even in the family, right? That's like you got many years. Good for you. Fantastic. Fantastic.
Sure. Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for your patience and a warm welcome to Crossword. Well, it gives me great pleasure in welcoming Dr. Mohan Thomas and Ms. Tiska Chopra. Thank you so much for coming here. Tiska, thank you so much, Dr. Mohan, for picking Crossword to launch Authentic Sources. Is a must-read for those who launch the book for all of you. So I'd request Tiska to kindly, we have a copy for Tiska, we have a copy for Dr. Mohan Thomas as well. If you all could kindly unveil a copy of this book for all of us, and we'll have our photo ops followed by Dr. Mohan Thomas telling us about the book, and of course Tiska telling us about her association with Dr. Mohan Thomas. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, for giving this book such a wonderful platform, and many congratulations to Dr. Mohan Thomas. We have Picture Perfect, and a very special thank you to Tiska Chopra for launching the book.
Just a minute, no? That thing is actually looking like something is going ahead. Chado. This camera?
Camera.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you very much. Congratulations.
So, you have a whole list of people you want to thank, and the best way of thanking everybody is, it's been an experience for me, a journey that started perhaps 3 years ago. When I first landed from the US in 2003, cosmetic surgery and cosmetic medicine was in a very nascent state. It's all hush-hush, a few people render these services. However, there has been a quantum leap in the field itself and a paradigm shift in acceptance. This was perhaps at one time meant for the media, socialized celebrities. Today it's a way of life. It's a way of empowering people, particularly women. With the International Women's Day coming up in a few weeks, what could be more timely than a release of this book? This book, along with the people that serve this city, through different ways and avenues, can really make a difference in the way, the confidence level. Let's say there's somebody who has a consistent manner, replicable every single time. What is empowerment? It's a very big word, but in small terms, empowerment just means giving people that extra oomph, the level of confidence, and that is empowerment. You empower somebody, whether it be through looks, whether it through a level of confidence. It's like almost wearing a high-heeled shoe. For a person who's not very tall, a pair of heels can be a way we empower that person. So in short, it is an equalizer. It equalizes people. People that aspire to be somebody, people that have hang-ups, and how do you address them to get past all of that and be equal to anybody you want to be. But that moment of time, you can be that person. So from where does the journey? 2003 to 2015, that's almost 12 years, during which we have seen a whole change in the way people perceive cosmetic surgery. It's no longer rendered in a hush-hush manner. We certainly are not, along the lines of the US, where you could talk about this at a Tupperware party or perhaps in a coffee shop. But certainly in small, for this crowd that is really a well-meaning crowd that has taken the time out to be here. Every one of you sitting here has taken the time out to be here. And I really appreciate my friends, patients that I may have done some work for, but more importantly today is a celebration of friends, celebrating an art, a science that can be delivered in a safe manner and being introduced to all of you by a giant in the film industry. So here we go. Trista, it's all yours. Mike.
Thank you so much, Dr. T, as I call him. First of all, thank you for asking me to be part of this. I've known you for a great many years. He's a man who I got introduced to by a Times of India publication called Femina. And I kept reading bits and pieces about how he advised women. Somebody in some small town was going through low self-esteem because she had flabby arms or there was something else going on. And his words were always words of hope, of change, but of caution. And he was somebody who I felt, when I was writing my book, I felt that I must do a piece, but he was not in the country at that point. However, we've been connecting on and off on various things, and we have a common philosophy. He also came to my book launch, so hey, I'm only returning the favor. So yes, this thing with Women's Day, there's a big ricochet of the voice. Is that because of the mic? Is that because of the speaker? Is it clear to all of you?
Sound.
Yeah. It's clear? You can hear? Wonderful. So yes, Dr. Thomas is someone, I know a few people who his magic hands have touched, and there is a great level of care that people feel around him. I know that for sure, so congratulations.
Thank you so much, really appreciate it.
And as for me, I'm planning to come to you soon. I won't say for what, but I'm sure that something will come up.
Thank you so much, I really appreciate that. That vote of confidence means a lot to me.
Sooner or later, we will all need Dr. Thomas's help to keep looking the way that we look, or even improve what God created. However, I think what he really touched upon was a very important topic about self-worth and self-esteem, and with Women's Day coming up, I'd like to sort of take that on from there. A lot of people have sort of double standards about plastic surgery and all of that. Each to his own, I guess. And I'm not here to pass any sort of moral judgment or say this is right, that is wrong. However, I feel you live only one life and you deserve it to give yourself the best that you can. And why do it in a way that will make you sorry, but do it in a way that will make you feel safe. And so long as you don't get addicted to the process and you don't look outward all the time, but also work on developing your insides, then if there is an issue, say for example, there's a nose that's got a bump, or there's, I have, because of the amount of shooting that I do, I have severe issues with my hair, so I'm going to go get PRP done, which is something which is plasma cells into your scalp, which helps you rejuvenate your scalp. So there's lots of things, and given the amount of pressure that there is on looks, why not address it? But the key issue is, I think two key issues. One is that you cannot neglect the inside. No matter how good you look, and trust me, I know some very good looking people, some very, very, very good looking people, but they do not feel as good inside as they look on the outside. There's a big, big disconnect between the inside and the outside, and it is embarrassing to see that, because you feel what in God's name happened to you? You look like this. You should be talking beautifully. You should have a great personality. But unfortunately, they've never worked on developing their insight, whether it's a talent or a skill or some innate sense of self-worth, which always comes from being decent, good, ethical, moral, all of that, but also from working for the happiness of others. That is a key component of one's own happiness, and that's what I've always personally believed in. And I think Dr. Thomas comes in there in the first part because his role in making people feel good is enormous. And I've been reading his pieces in Femina again and again and again and again. And I always see that his aim is not just that he's got to build the biggest practice, but his aim is that, you know, less is more. Do what is necessary, don't exceed, don't get into a habit, don't become addicted to this. The second thing which is crucial is that I've always seen him, and we've had lots of philosophical chats about this and that and the other, is that he's always said, better to be safe than to be sorry. Be careful, go to the best people, address the issues that you have, but don't do it in a way. In fact, I lost a very, very dear colleague in a liposuction gone bad because he was on blood thinning medication. He's an actor, and the doctor didn't bother to check, and he died on the operating table. So there is always all sorts of dangers and associated perils that come. But if you are with somebody who's trained, experienced, cautious, careful, and knows what he's doing, you minimize that. You make that almost non-occurrence. So on account of giving people a sense of feeling how beautiful they can look on the outside, to giving them the correct direction to look at, he will tell you he's also part psychiatrist, I would say. So he gives you the inside-outside balance, and he takes care to be sure he's very, very, very safe. He has cutting-edge knowledge about what is the latest in technology and what is the best way customizing things to people. So I think I'm going to be the first person who's going to read this book, and right after PRP, I'll think what I need to do. Maybe doctor, you can advise me. But congratulations on this wonderful book, and with the intent with which this is written, which is largely to make people aware of what all is out there, but also how to do it in a safe and authentic manner and fulfill your expectations, not just shoot off the charts and do things. I remember there was a show on Oprah Winfrey's show where she spoke about this one guy who had done 17 procedures just to his face to get a square jawline. He had implants of little bits of metal here and all sorts of things. And I remember Oprah Winfrey asking him that, you know, you look good for now, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 years, but how long do you think these embedded things in your body will last? You'll be 60, you'll be 70, you'll be 80, and then what? So he said, who cares about that? And then I was wondering, what's the kind of person who was advising him on these procedures? So I think he could have benefited by reading a copy of Picture Perfect. And remember, there's this beautiful book by Oscar Wilde called Picture of Dorian Gray, where the picture keeps looking the same, but the person inside is rotting. That's not going to happen, not with Dr. Thomas. He'll make sure that you're beautiful inside and outside. And congratulations, and this is congratulations to us as well.
Right. Thank you so much. Just to pick up on what Tisca said, you know, looking good is not just physical. There's an inner self as well. You know, over the last 12 years, I was fortunate enough to be involved with the Miss Femina, you know, contestants, and I've seen them, and I've almost been able to tell them almost consistently who's going to win. That's right. And the difference between is not just the looks, it's the winning attitude. It's all about attitude. You know, there are times to as many people as we can. And in keeping with that commitment of ours, we have a fellowship program for 1 year, which we are running through the D.Y. Patil University. And in the back we have, I think, Dr. Ikta there, who is coordinating all of these issues. I recognize her. And essentially, it must come with the responsibility. This is for sale here now.
Thank you
By
so
the
much.
way, one last thing. Whatever proceeds we have from this book, the few pennies that will be coming from the publishers, I think, is going to go to Breast Cancer Research Fund. It's my commitment. Since I treat so many women, that's the least I can do. Not only to support them through my words, but through the surgeries I perform, but also in my small little way, that women mean something and we need to keep them safe. Good diagnosis, good management, and basically support. What ails women the most today? The fear of cancer, particularly breast cancer. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your efforts for being here.
Thank you so very much. A special mention to Tisca. Thank you so much, Tisca, for what a wonderful insight you gave us into your association with Dr. Thomas, and thanks for being here at Crossword.
Pleasure completely. Thank you.
We all love you to get them signed. Thank you very much and have a lovely evening ahead. Thank you.
This way, please.
So, ma'am, this camera. So, ma'am.
This way, please. One.
Ladies and gentlemen, if there are any questions for Dr. Thomas, anybody who would like to address anything can do so right away, or you can do it with your one-on-one interaction with him as well. Anybody with questions, please feel free to address them. Thank you.
ओके, तो इसका पिक्चर फिल्म आज आप यहाँ पर मौजूद है, बुक लॉन्च भी किया, तो क्या कुछ फीलिंग है और क्या कुछ
डॉक्टर थॉमस इंडिया के लीडिंग कॉस्मेटिक सर्जन हैं। मैंने उनको सबसे पहले उनके आर्टिकल्स फेमिना मैगज़ीन में पढ़े हैं, जहाँ पे उन्होंने बहुत सेफ़ प्रोसीजर्स के लिए एडवाइस किया, और मुझे हमेशा लगा कि बाहर की खूबसूरती के साथ साथ अंदर की खूबसूरती भी मेंटेन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। नहीं तो खाली खोखला शेल अच्छा सुंदर लगता है, अंदर से खूबसूरत होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि वही रेडियंस एक्चुअली हमें इम्प्रेस करती है, हमें छूती है। हाउएवर आज की दुनिया जो है उसमें बाहर से खूबसूरत लगना ज़रूरी है। आई थिंक डॉक्टर थॉमस बहुत ही क्वालिफाइड और ट्रेंड सर्जन है। मैंने अपनी किताब के लिए उन्हें इंटरव्यू किया था, उस सिलसिले में मेरी उनसे बातचीत शुरू हुई, एंड आई फाउंड हिम वेरी वंडरफुल एंड स्ट्रेट, ऑनेस्ट एंड समबडी जो बहुत सीधे सीधे लोगों से बात करते हैं। एक दो कंसल्टेशंस मैंने उनके साथ अटेंड की जो वो दूसरे पेशेंट्स के साथ ले रहे थे, तो उन्होंने बहुत क्लियरली उन्हें बताया कि ये सही है, ये गलत है, तो मुझे बहुत सही लगा उनका अप्रोच।
जी, इसका पर्सनली कितना बिलीव करती हूँ कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी में, बिकॉज हम लोग में बहुत सारे लोगों को देखते हैं कभी कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी कराते हैं बट वो बाद में उससे सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होते हैं।
आई थिंक अगर कोई आप में खामी है, जैसे किसी का नोज़ या किसी बच्चों के वो क्लेफ्ट पैलेट होते हैं या आँख का कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, एक्सीडेंट के बाद लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, तो बाय ऑल मीन्स करेक्टिव सर्जरी इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। पर कई लोग होते हैं जो दूसरी साइड पे होते हैं, जो सर्जरी से एडिक्टेड हो जाते हैं, जो सिर्फ एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद अपनी लुक्स ही बदलने में लगे रहते हैं। आई थिंक दैट्स काइंड ऑफ नॉट नेसेसरी, नेचुरल होना बेटर है फिर।
अगर मैं फिल्मों की बात करूँ तो किस्सा रिलीज हुई,
जी जी,
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
thrilled with the response, critically super duper hit, और आई थिंक ये एक ऐसी फिल्म है जो कि इंटरनेशनली ऑलरेडी अपनी किस्मत को पा चुकी है। अब बाकी बची बात बॉक्स ऑफिस की। आई डोंट थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म जो बहुत अनयूजुअल फिल्म है, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि हॉल भर भर के लोग इसको देखने वाले, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट मेंट फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ रिलीज़। पर ये मेरी लाइफ की और मेरी जर्नी की बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट और डायरेक्टर जो अनूप सिंह हैं उनकी वजह से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा।
थैंक यू सो मच।